how to add the touch or the flashlight app to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Now on the lock screen or on the home screen, touch and hold, and this will take you to the lock screen here. If you are from the home screen, so if you're on the home screen like this, you want to touch and hold, and then tap on wallpaper and style, then tap on the lock screen panel. In here we can go down and tap on the font application. Next we scroll down and select the touch application. In here we find touch on the top here, and then tap on done, and then tap on the home button. Now press on the side button to go to your lock screen. And here you should be able to see the touch application that will allow you to quickly turn on or switch off the touch. So here you can simply just swipe it to switch it on or turn it off. If you are already on the lock screen, you can simply just touch and hold like that, and then tap on the touch application, and from here you can choose touch, and then tap on done. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.